Yeah, he's not poisoned. Mom, catch this right now. Yeah.
Oh my
Mom,
gosh.
catch that. Catch the...
Oh, son.
Dad! We gotta keep him for Dad.
Mark.
Eric, if you come this way, I got your stick.
Oh, son.
Sean!
Holy crap.
Yeah. He's so beautiful. Hold on to him. I'm gonna flag down.
Yeah.
Flag down Dad, okay?
You better run to get Dad.
Alright, hold on to him. I'm gonna flag down Dad.
I need to get close, son. This is still a movie. You're too much, son. Hang on. Okay, now, can you pull him closer to your face?
You know what? Open up that book real quick. Let's be sure.
About venomous or not?
Yes. I'm pretty sure I saw him though. You're okay.
Side stripe palm pit viper.
No, that's not him.
Okay,
That's
so there's
him.
no marks.
Parrot snake.
Oh,
You see
sorry,
the
I'm still
stripe
filming.
on his eye?
Son. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to take some stills, so you gotta be still. Okay, put him in front of your shirt if you can, his head, so I can see
Mom,
contrast.
I'm doing everything I can, but I have to do it and make sure he's not hurt, okay? You don't like it. You don't like it. I'm sorry.
Hang on.
Look at his eyes. Mom, can you please get my camera from my side so I can get pictures with mine?
I'm still trying to film, so just hang on.
Can you get some pictures with mine, dude? Just in case, please. I don't want to lose